Hey, what is up, everybody? This is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer. And guys, I'm coming to you cutting this quick video. I think I like doing these, I guess, YouTube videos for the trainings that the guys over at MLFP does because they are so valuable and they're free trainings for anybody. No matter which industry that you're in, whether you're just an entrepreneur, whether you're affiliate marketer, network marketer, or indirect sales. So these are free training. These are free trainings meant to, you don't have to buy anything for these trainings. These are just free value-based trainings to help you grow your business. So this is the new training that I um, I like, and I don't think I've ever seen anything like this before that the guys from MLSP actually have done. And it is this. It's basically the 3 steps to grow your business through speaking on stages, even if you're an introvert, you're brand new, or you have zero previous success. Now, if I scroll down here a little bit, you'll see here that it is this Wednesday, October 24th. Of course, if you're watching this video after Wednesday, of course, it's not going to be available. But I will leave a link, so if you do watch it before October 24th, 9 p.m., the link that I have at the bottom, that will go directly to register for this event on how to speak on stages. So if I scroll down here, you'll see here that the host is going to be Peter Vargas. It's going to show you how to grow your downline and the residuals. 3-step process that he has called the story braid, 8 ways to scale past the stage, how to 10x the value of your stage. So he's going to be speaking again all about speaking from the stage to grow your business. So I can personally, I've done webinars over these in my own business, but I can't say personally I've actually spoke on stage to grow my business. So this would be great for me too as well. So I'll probably be learning with you guys. So I will leave a link at the bottom. Just to remind you, this channel is all about entrepreneurship, home business entrepreneurship, helping entrepreneurs with tools, resources, and tips, basically to help you grow your business. And of course, if you do get value from this video, be sure, one, to subscribe to my page. Also, click that little bell on the right there so you're notified of any new videos. And always, if you get some value from this or you think someone in the industry can benefit from this, be sure to share the video as well. Alright guys, this is Billy Josie, aka the New Generation Marketer from Jacksonville, Florida, and I will see you on the next video. God bless you guys.